Hey, good morning, cats. It's day 50 now. A little stoked about today. Going to cross the 600-mile mark, and it's always good to see that number, that 100 mark, pass along the trail. And it's a beautiful morning, and ready to hit it. Yeah, just another beautiful day out here. Hey, cats. Beginning of day 41 out here, and I just left the Weary Feet hostel. I took most of my gear and put it in a bag, and they're going to ship it up to the next hostel about 16 miles up the road. And then, so it should be a nice walk today. Slack pack, so they say. And the only difficulty we have is dealing with the rain that's going to be here all day. So luckily I'm not carrying a full load in my pack, but have to deal with the rain. So I probably won't be taking much, if any, video throughout today. It was a great night last night. Had a lot of foods, spaghetti and meat sauce dinner, a couple pieces of cake. This morning, sausage and eggs and pancakes. But now it's time to head on up the road, and hopefully they have a place for me at the next hostel, because I think it's going to be a wet night as well. Morning, cats. I just had to show you a picture of this place I stayed at, the MacArthur Inn, and I think this is Dannis, Virginia, right outside of Pearisburg. What a spectacular place. Met the owner last night. We sat with him and chatted with him for a good hour. And he's totally restored this place. Bought it about 10 years ago. They were going to tear it down. What a shame. And right now it's kind of prom season, so this is set up. He has a couple hundred couples come through to get their pictures taken. Yeah. So here's a view of the town, but some pretty famous people over the years have stayed at this inn. Roosevelt's, Ford's, John Wayne stayed here. Just a bunch of people he was talking about. It's pretty fascinating. I'll take you inside and I'll show you the lobby. And here's the hallway down to my room. It's actually a split room. See the size of this door? So that the hoop skirts could fit through. So 2 miles or so into the hike, and this is what most of the trail has been like today. Just had torrential downpours yesterday. The shuttle driver, to get us back on the trail, he had to bring out his 4x4 because the road was washed out, and they already had people trying to repair the road. It was just a gravel road, not much to it, but it was all tore up. So it's just going to be a wet slog for these 12 miles or so I need to do today. And it's going to be wet feet all day. Well, there's not much of a view up here. Pretty socked in with the clouds. At least it's not raining. But all of the trails have been absolutely flooded. I've been shin deep a number of times. It's just no way to stay dry. I'm not even going to try to change my socks. It's just ridiculous. So I'm just going to keep on going on. That's after I finish my ham and cheese sub that I packed out. I'll be done this in a minute or two. I'm pretty hungry, and then I'm gonna head on down. It's mostly downhill from here. Well, I've been doing switchbacks for a while, and I've been hearing this newly created falls. And I knew that I was going to have to cross it at some point. Not only cross it, but that's the Appalachian Trail. Wow, well, needless to say perhaps, but I did hear that there's roads flooded all throughout the county and flood warnings. I certainly seen plenty of evidence of that on the trail today for sure. I really got to find out how many inches of rain we got. It rained all night, so I'll try to find that out. Wow, it's been an experience. And look, I think there is a little bit of sunshine coming out right at the end.